Receiving, failed to query, code 13, access is denied when using Virtualenv P on my Windows system. I have two versions of Python installed on my Windows system. 3.7 is installed in C:\Python 37 and 3.8 installed in Python 3.8. My path variables include the Python 3.7 executable. When I try to run Virtualenv P C:\Python 38 project folder, I get the following error. This is true if I specify C:\Python 37 as well. Isn't this supposed to create a Virtualenv using the specified Python binaries? What am I doing wrong? Thanks in advance.
IE point P to Python executable, not to a directory.